Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, we're gonna do English challenge with our looking for Juliana. So let the start videos begin. Hey, Juliana. She's asking you. She's asking you. Juliana. Don't say that it's dirty, ah. What's that? You have orders? How many orders do you have now? Two. To show my. Hi, Juliana. Hi, say hi. Hi, Juliana. 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 What are you doing? What? What did you say? What did you say? What? Call Juday, Juday. Juday. Call Juday. Juday. Hello. Hello. Juday. What are you doing? What are you doing? Say hi, hi. Hi. Hi everybody. Welcome to my uncle's YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share. And don't forget the notification bell. Thank you so much. Good day. Say hi. Hi to my vlog. Speak English, ha? Sometimes you speak English, but now you cannot speak. Hi guys, meet my other nephew. She speak English sometimes, but now she's shy. What are you doing? What are you doing? You watching? What? Hi. Say hi. Say muna. Tigil na. Ayaw niya guys, nahiya siya. So, ayun guys. So, punta natin sa pagpamangkin sa taas. What are you doing?
Tito.
What?
Tito, sino yan?
Wala ah. I'm doing English challenge for my content.
Okay.
So,
Dapat 100k. Dapat 10k, ano? Sino panalo? Isa ako.
ano ba ang ginagawa niyo? What are you doing? What is that?
It's called kikyam.
Kikiam? Kikiam? Cha. Si Hayan.
Hi. Hi. Say
Okay, continue your what you're doing. Bye bye. Hi, little girl. Say hi. Hi. Oh, Juday, Juday. Hi. Come, come. Say hi. Hi. Hi.